Best facial exercises to make your face thinner. 1. Chin lifts. The chin lift exercise is the best way to get rid of a double chin. It helps with working and stretching most of your facial muscles, including the jaw, throat, and neck. But make sure not to use any other facial muscles other than the lips while doing this exercise. You can perform this exercise either in the sitting or standing position. Begin by tilting your head towards the ceiling, keeping your eyes fixed. Now, make your lips tight, as if you are trying to kiss the ceiling. Hold it for a count of 5 seconds and relax. Repeat 10 to 20 times each time. 2. Rolling your neck. Rolling the neck is another effective exercise for getting rid of a double chin. It helps tone your chin, jawline and neck muscles. It's also effective for promoting sleep and reducing stress, tightening the skin of your neck and reducing the appearance of wrinkles or sagging skin. You can practice sitting or standing. Start by holding your head in a normal position. Now, gently bend your head to one side, lining with your chin, then slowly turn your head so that it makes a complete circular rotation. Remember to keep your spine straight and shoulders down at all times. Repeat clockwise and counterclockwise for 3 to 4 minutes. 3. Lion face. This exercise may sound strange, but it's extremely effective at stretching out the muscles in your face to make your face appear thinner. It involves your tongue and might make you feel a little silly, but don't let that stop you. To perform the lion face exercise, ball your hands into fists and breathe in through your nose. As you inhale, squeeze the muscles in your face as tightly as you can. Then, release your fists and breathe out through your mouth. As you exhale, reach your tongue out as far as you can and open your eyes wide. Hold this position for 10 seconds and repeat it 3 times per day. 4. Locked tongue. The locked tongue exercise is an excellent facial exercise that can shape up your jawline and give your face a slimmer, sharper look. It not only aids in toning your face muscles but also boosts circulation throughout your face. You can do this exercise sitting down or standing up. Start by relaxing your face, then roll your tongue up and touch the upper palate of your mouth with its tip. Try to open your mouth as wide as possible by holding your tongue in this position. You should feel an extreme stretch in your throat and face. Retain the pose until you feel uncomfortable and keep breathing with your nose. 5. Jaw release. Jaw release is a great exercise if you want to have sharp cheekbones and a prominent jawline. It reduces your double chin, plus it'll stretch the muscles around your lips, jaw, and cheeks. Start with a straight posture and move your jaw as if you are chewing while keeping your lips closed. Breathe in deeply and breathe out while humming. Next, open your mouth wide with your tongue pressed against your bottom teeth. Keep this posture for 5 seconds, now inhale and exhale again. This makes 1 repetition. Repeat this complete exercise 10 to 15 times for 1 set. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and stay with us.